In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot forms with payments. Whether you're operating a business in the USA, the UK, or Canada, or are interested in using Stripe's international integration on various HubSpot plans, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. To get started, navigate to the Commerce section in your HubSpot settings and click on Payments. Here, you'll find the option to set up payments. This feature is designed to streamline the process of collecting payments through forms, leveraging the power of Stripe for secure and efficient transactions. You'll need to complete a Stripe-powered verification, which includes providing underwriting and bank details. This step is crucial as it ensures the legitimacy of your business and sets the foundation for secure payment processing. Once you're approved, it's time to head over to the Marketing section and click on Forms. Notes to bear in mind. You'll need to create what's known as a legacy form. This is important because the new editor doesn't support payments yet. So, make sure you're using the legacy form option for a smooth experience. Inside the form editor, take a moment to consider how payments will be integrated into your form. You'll need to toggle the payment option on. Next, select one or multiple payment links that you've already created. These links are your gateways to smooth and professional payment processing, giving your customers a seamless transition from form submission to payment. As you're arranging these payment options, you have the flexibility to label them according to your preferences. You can also arrange their order and even set defaults that make sense for your business model and customer expectations. Now, let's talk about finalizing the form. Once you've integrated all necessary elements and adjusted the settings to your liking, it's time to publish the form. With everything in place, users who fill out your form will be effortlessly redirected to a Stripe-powered checkout page. This means your payment processing will be both secure and efficient, enhancing the overall experience for your users. Finally, once your form is live and submissions start rolling in, you can view the submissions and payment statuses directly within the Form's Submissions tab. This gives you real-time insights into the status of each payment, whether they are pending, succeeded, or failed. For ongoing management, HubSpot's Payment Settings is your go-to hub. Here, you can manage payments, issue refunds, and even download detailed reports, empowering you to stay on top of your financial transactions with ease. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up HubSpot forms with payments effectively, optimizing both your workflow and customer experience. Happy form building!